So I thought it was very good. I wasn't quite sure what to expect when we kind of got here in the morning, as I had read the material that had been sent, and I'd read the report that Sarah had sent me as a kind of pre-read. However, she kind of said a lot of it would become clear on the day, and it did during the course of the day. So I think one of the things I did when I first got the job at Tresham was started reading anything I could get my hands on around how kind of the teenage psychology works, the early 20s. I found out some interesting facts, and I think from what I've learned today, it's allowed me to kind of bring a lot of that to life again, and to see how I can take those teachings and take them into my own work. So things like the goal mapping, things like looking at some of these key strengths and weaknesses, that kind of SWOT analysis type thing, because that will also allow me to look at a particular group and say, okay, you've got those particular strengths, or you've got those particular areas you want to develop, and if it isn't something that they want to do, then maybe there's somebody in the group that's better suited, or it might be that they're very suited to that task, and actually that just reinforces that. I would recommend Sarah Stone's Plain Sailing Motivation. The courses that we did today was very good. It was very engaging. It was very good. A very fun, well planned out day. Sarah is an absolute delight to be working with. Makes you feel very comfortable. So it kind of didn't feel like working. It just felt like having a good time, which is it's always good to have a training course like that.